Now artists, if you enjoy Draw and Paint What You Regret on YouTube and you would like to show your support, you can find Cash App and Venmo information below. This channel is free to watch and learn from. If you like any of my art products, please go to mpbimage.com to purchase. If you purchase, make sure you leave a comment so my product maker know that you've purchased from the YouTube link. Hey everyone, I am back with another tutorial. So this tutorial is for project number 2 for my abstract drawing 3 students. So just get into right to the point. So this project is a non-objective, so I'm choosing non-objective. My students have the option of non-objective and also abstract drawing. So my theme is going to be aura, and my assignment focus for my students is expression, emotion, plus conceptual ideas. So I know that's a lot, but I do go through a lecture with them to let them know, how to maneuver with all these ideas in their head before they produce their actual artwork. Then I also talk about, or at least touch on, color and energy and spirit and spirituality in so many ways. This is kind of different for my students because typically I do go over color schemes, but because these students have gone through as much color schemes that I can give them, I wanted to focus on something a little bit different when it comes to color. So I wanted to do orange and green. If you think of someone's aura, typically it deals with colors and feelings and emotions. Something is going on. So when I did look up orange and green, on the Googler, I found that it means powerful blend of creativity, passion, healing, and emotional balance. So hopefully the Googler is right. And if it is, that would be great. So all of this that we are, or at least all of this stuff that I have written down on the side is a lot of things that I'm going to go over when it comes to my students. That way they kind of have an idea. So once again, for me as an artist, I do my best to make sure that I have the information that I need for the actual project. I think that's very important. And then also when it comes to color, I am going to use colored pencils, which hopefully you guys see over here. So I'm just going to use Prismacolor pencils. And I think I'm going to use Prismacolor erase pencil for the actual drawing. So just FYI with a little bit of my materials. Sometimes I forget my materials. I am going to use just regular old drawing paper. So I do have a little bit of a 1-inch border that is here. So I am going to do that. And then I also want to make sure that I'm at very least staying in tune with my elements of art. So I want to focus on line and shape when it comes to this artwork, as well as I want to focus on the principle of balance. So if you see here, we have balance as well when it comes to our color scheme. And that's kind of an idea that I want to just keep in mind when it comes to this actual project. So this project for my students is self-driven. So it's really up to them what they want to do. There's just certain criteria that I definitely do have them focus on to the best of my ability. And really, I do my best to make sure that they're not getting, too analytical, visual, like too visual. Not so much that. I think it's just more so too analytical when it comes to their actual artwork. I just don't want them to overthink it. I want them to make sure that they are being creative as much as possible with this artwork. All of this stuff, you can kind of fill in the blanks once you're done with creating what you are creating. So on this side, you guys, once again, I wanted to deal with line, color, and also I wanted to deal with shapes. So, and I probably should have put color down here because that is an element. And so this is my first idea for my thumbnail. This is my second idea for my thumbnail, which I really like this. And then this is my third idea for my thumbnail, which I absolutely like this as well. And I think I might go with this just to kind of speed up the demo time for this actual tutorial. This I could do and probably could get it done, but I'm not sure if I'm going to execute it the same. This you know, it's a hit or run when it comes to I'm not going to execute it the same. And I want that to happen. This is abstract art, so I want it to happen. I want to make sure that I'm exploring and experimenting as much as possible. But you guys, I wanted to pop in this intro and just give my students an idea of how to navigate through this project. I will see you guys in the demo, which is in the next clip.